In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure pips using the TradingView platform. Whether you're just starting out or have been trading for a while, knowing how to accurately measure pips is essential for your trading success. So let's dive right in and navigate through this together. We'll begin by opening up our web browser and heading straight to the TradingView website. TradingView is widely appreciated among traders for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive charting tools. As you enter the URL in your browser and hit enter, give it a moment to fully load. Once the home page appears, you'll notice a variety of technical analysis tools and charts at your disposal. For our demonstration today, we'll be examining the USD/JPY market. You can locate the market search bar right at the top of the screen. By typing in USD/JPY, you instantly gain access to the chart for this particular currency pair. Once selected, the live chart for USD/JPY will unfold on your screen, brimming with market data and several indicators. Now, as you gaze at the chart, shift your focus to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. This toolbar is filled with a plethora of handy features, but for today's purpose, we'll specifically look for the ruler tool. It's generally depicted by an icon that resembles a small ruler. Click on it, and this activates the measuring tool that is crucial for accurately determining pips on your chart. With the ruler tool at your disposal, you're ready to click and drag over the portion of the chart you wish to measure. To do this effectively, first identify the starting point on the chart where you want your measurement to begin. Maybe there is a noticeable high point or a low point that has caught your interest. Click on this point and, while keeping the click held down, drag your cursor to the final point, the place where you intend to complete your measurement. As you drag across the chart, you'll notice a small information box pops up right near your selection. This box is pivotal as it offers detailed measurement information. Critically, for our requirements, it displays the PEEP difference between your starting and ending points. The figure you see here represents the number of pips, which is a crucial metric when assessing price movements in the Forex market. This straightforward process grants you a vivid sense of how significantly the market has moved over a set duration or between two chosen price levels. Being quickly able to measure pips can significantly boost your capacity to evaluate potential trades and make well-informed decisions. By adhering to